Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures, and today I let my kids plan my day at Hollywood Studios. We'll see how that turns out. Come with me, I got you. Let's go do this. Okay, so with the kids plan my day, there is kind of some rules or ground rules type situation. It could be anything they want me to do, from eat or drink my least favorite food, spoiler, that's happening, to ride a ride a certain amount of times, to any kind of challenge or thing they want me to do. And this morning, we're gonna start with the first thing on the list to try to start knocking it out of the way, and that is ride Tower of Terror as many times as possible in one day. So it's early, we're gonna try to go knock out one right now. Now, today I was allowed to have Genie Plus since I have a whole day, and we'll see how it comes out. I'm not sure you will ever see the queue this empty. Hello.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite.
All right, kids, that's one ride down on Tower of Terror early this morning. I'm gonna see if I can go grab one more. Back to back it. Heading right back in for round two.
You are the passengers on a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode, the Twilight Zone.
That's two down, but we got to move on. Hopefully I can get another ride on Tower of Terror later today, but the challenge is as many times as I can, not a certain number. So we're going to leave it at 2 right now and then head on. So part of Kids Plan My Day includes coming in here to Toy Story Midway Mania and riding it until I get at least 150,000 points. Now that's not easy. It's not impossible. It's not like, you know, 8th level Mario Brothers hard. But it's not super easy either. And it's only got a 20-minute wait right now, so I figured to go ahead and take one roll at it here in case I needed to save it and do it again with a lightning lane later in case I don't make 150. We're gonna see how I did. Let's see.
Way, everyone.
Oh yeah, baby. 182,000. $182,000. Kids, I win that one. Beat 150,000 on the first try. All right, kids, I'm doing pretty good so far. I think it's not even 10 o'clock yet. I've already rode Tower of Terror twice, so it's just how many times I can do it in a day. That one's looking like it's gonna go in Dad's column. Pretty easy. That's a kind of a gimme. And then on the first try, I got Toy Story. I beat the 150, got 182,000, I think. And so that one is a check in my column. So we're off and running, but now I have to ride my least favorite ride in the park. That is on the Kids Plan My Day. And there are a couple contenders in my mind, but one just far and away takes it. And it's not too far from here. All right, on the Kids Plan My Day adventure here. Bless you, my children, for cursing me with having to ride my least favorite ride. And here there could be some discussion, but really there isn't. It's aliens, swirling saucers, and not that it's bad, but for the same reason Teacups is my least favorite. Is it's a spinning ride. I don't like to spin. The line gets long. It's hot over here. There's not a lot of shade, and yeah, it's just a fancy teacup ride. So it's a filler ride. It's my least favorite here. Might as well go ahead and go get it done. The wait time has gotten up to 45 minutes now, so we will not be doing it right this second, but we will come back and get it done. Never wait 45 minutes on this. The time will go down, or you'll be able to get an easy lightning lane at some point. Never wait 45 minutes on this ride, but we will come back and get it done. For right now, let's go grab something else. Now, of course, my kid said, Dad, when we're planning your day, we're going to punish you a little. So in addition to your least favorite ride, you're going to have your least favorite food or drink. And as a Star Wars fan, it kills me because I know that this is even coming to the grocery store near you soon. But it is over here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. It is blue milk. I do not like blue milk. I do not like it. To me, it tastes like eating flowers, and I don't like anything floral. But you know what? I am going to get it because I am not losing this challenge, and I'm going to stand by Kids Planning My Day. So let's get some blue milk. Hello. One blue milk, please.
With or without alcohol?
Without.
With alcohol?
Without.
Without?
I have been walking around with this blue milk in my hand for a couple of minutes because I'm dreading drinking it. But bless you, children, I'm going to win this one. So cheers. I mean, it's not milk at all. It's like, oh, it has that flowery taste. It's kind of a slushy or icy consistency. No, slushy, not icy. Slushy, very slushy. It's kind of milk textured or dairy milky textured, but it tastes very flowery. I am not a fan, but I am putting this check mark in my column, kids. Here's the blue milk, my least favorite thing to eat or drink here at Hollywood Studios. All right, on the Kids Plan My Day, of course they want Dad to ride Rise of the Resistance because A, it either costs me a lot of money or a lot of time. No, just kidding. They love it. I love it. I'm a Warzy. They know Dad loves Star Wars. I've brought them into the fold. Let's go ride it.
Give me a moment. Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal.
We're needed on the bridge. Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
All right. Check that one off for Dad. riding Rise of the Resistance is always fun. And that one was a gippy. The kids gave me that one. But you know, part of this stuff is the things that they like to do too, and they like to ride Rise of the Resistance. So it's not just like a punishment-filled day when the kids plan my day, but it is still another check in the column for Dad. All right, on the kids plan my day, that involves, my daughter is a huge fan of Star Tours. And Lana, I don't know why, she has always loved it. Like, she will get on and on and off, like on, off, walk, like just keep riding it again and again and again and again. And so of course she put that on my list to do today. I have no problem doing this one, although sometimes it can make me a little motion sick, but fingers crossed it won't this time. Let's go do it.
I know I've not had a bad meal. It's a possibility. Hold up.
All right, I am off of Star Tours and check another one for Dad. Lana, that one was for you. I know that's just one of your favorite rides, and that's why you had me do it. You know I like Star Wars. So now we are both happy. All right, on to more. All right, on the Kids Plan My Day challenge, they've actually put a couple of things in here to eat. So I don't know if I can eat all this. I think they did it on purpose. They put SciFi Diner and Hollywood and Vine because that is their favorite places. I couldn't get Hollywood and Vine. I don't like going to character dinners by myself. I think they know that, so they put that in there so they would gain a check in their column, because it's hard to get two big reservations like that in one day. But I did get SciFi Diner, so I'm gonna win that one, and I'm gonna eat, so I'm gonna double win. All right, kids, I'm in the SciFi Diner just for you. I know we all love coming here. Love the vibe, love the sci-fi fun, love the burgers. Okay, let's do it.
What is planted to grow fruit? He is planted to grow fruit. I know.
I wish my kids were here with me. I'm glad they put this on the list, but it makes me miss them when they're not here. But, you know, we come down here a lot, and I'll have them back here with me pretty soon. All right, kids, that's another big check mark for Daddy on Kids Plan My Day here at Hollywood Studios. I wish y'all were here with me. I'll get you back here with me real soon. Thank you for putting this on the list, and let's go do some more. All right, on Kids Plan My Day. See, my kids are definitely my kids because they like a lot of the same things I like, because I raised them like on Friday nights, old school, their whole life. It was order pizza and watch movies or go out to a movie. Then my son started wanting a burger on Friday night because he didn't want to eat pizza like his sister all the time. But it was like that old school time, and we would watch 80s movies. A lot of 80s movies on those nights, just like I did. So they, even though they're much younger, they have that love. And one of the things they love, I mean, we were first in line as a family to go see Indiana Jones' new movie. And we're the same way with Star Wars or Marvel's movies, or anything that ties back to the 80s too. We love it. So on my list today, they put the Indiana Jones show. I'm happy with that. I love going to do this show. Any excuse that I need to go do it is just icing on the cake. So let's go in here and rock Indiana Jones style. right, kids, I am out of Indiana Jones. I always love doing that show. You could say, oh, well, it doesn't change much, but it has the essence of Indy, and you get to see all those stunts. I still think it's super cool, and I make movies, so take that. Hey, check mark for Daddy again on Kids Plan My Day. All right, Kids Plan My Day. As promised, I have made my way back over to alien swirling saucers. Got my fast pass, aka lightning lane. I'll never stop calling it fast pass. Let's go do it. All right, here we go, kids. I'm winning this one too. Check least favorite ride. It's kind of rough and vibrating. All right, so kids, I win that round. That is just not the best ride. It just really isn't. Don't wait super long on that ride. It's only about 80 or 90 seconds long, and it's basically a little bit more thrilling version of the teacups, but it is a long wait for a very short ride. But it's a check in my column. As part of the Kids Plan My Day challenge, I have come over to Pizza Rizzo's because my daughter can't let a day go by without eating some kind of cheese on bread. So it's like cheese and crackers, cheese bread, cheese toast, like, you know, cheese bread from the pizza place, cheese pizza, cheese quesadilla, some kind of cheese bread. So in honor of her, on the list over here, Pizza Rizzo. I was coming over here anyway, so it's a double check mark for me. Let's go have some Pizza Rizzo. All right, kids, another check mark for me at Pizza Rizzo, complete with a special cookie today. And we don't have too much more left on Kids Plan My Day here at Hollywood Studios, but it has been a lot of fun. All right, on the Kids Plan My Day at Hollywood Studios event we got going here, the last thing that I have is ride Slinky Dog Dash. Now, my son told me this is his favorite ride for me to do here, and he put it on the list. He also knows it's a hard one to get or a long line to wait in, but I did get it. We just got to wait on it to get to be my lightning lane time, and then we're gonna ride it. All right, kids, put another check box in the box for Dad. I rode Slinky Dog Dash, and honestly, today was coming up all roses for Dad. I feel like they made this one a little easy on me. The only thing I didn't get is I could not get Hollywood and Vine and SciFi. That's just a little too much to try to do in one day, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I missed. He kind of left the door open by saying ride Tower as many times as you can. I've already got on it twice. I might get on it again before I leave. So that's that one was kind of open-ended and made that one a little easy. But it is fun having my kids plan my day. So when they're not here with me, it feels kind of like they are, because I know their little voices behind these plans, and I really enjoy it, and I hope you did too. And if you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And until next time, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great AVA day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.